Introducing QuickBooks Commerce. Work smarter by managing your product business with one powerful platform. Commerce is connected to the top e-commerce providers and marketplaces. And getting started is easy. First, connect a store, and your products and stock levels are automatically pulled into Commerce. As you add channels, Commerce becomes your hub for managing inventory and orders across your online stores. Even customize a B2B storefront for wholesale. Whether new orders come through eBay, Amazon, Squarespace, or Shopify, view and manage it all in Commerce, from payment to fulfillment. Then, with integrations across stores, you can add new product listings, including inventory levels and descriptions, and publish to multiple channels. And when you sell 5 items on Shopify, inventory in your other channels updates automatically, so you don't oversell. Get insights into all your sales data with Commerce. See what's selling best, how channels are performing, and get a clear view of your revenue. Easily manage orders and inventory from a single platform with QuickBooks Commerce, so you can focus on growing your business.